I think you guys remember this device. That was those props that were turning each to its own direction, and I referred to a new project, and this is the project. The battery went dead, so I will rig up everything and I will come back later for some more details on the model. This is my current project. It's a Hyoteki. That's a Japanese submarine. For now, this is the building of the plug. Already made some parts for the tower. It was a Japanese submarine, and those types attacked Pearl Harbour. As you can see, a 2-shooter, so 2 torpedoes, which will have to be loaded externally, more or less like the Type 23 I built. So this is the start. I never showed that before, how you make a plug, and I'll show you guys how it works. First we start with the plan. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. I need something heavy. Start with the front. Like this. You roll it out. They made two drawings for me. One for measurements. I hope that's visible. Yes, it is. This is the initial plan. And if you wonder how I got it, well, thanks to Gene Berger and the help of Mr. David Merriman, I acquired this drawing, and I let it enlarge it, and Mr. Merriman was so nice to give me some drawings about the ribs. This is the front part, and after using the printer a couple of times, I got me these ribs, and those ribs you transfer to wood like this. Printed the drawing a couple of times so you can see what the shape is. And the next stage is this. Take a piece of foam, aim your ribs, use a saw blade to get the basic shape, and use a sanding block to get the right shape. Let's see if we can open her up. I need something to unlock it. I made this little part because the length of my submarine is about 1 inch too short, so I had to make another piece. It would be too elaborate to show all the buildings, and it will take too much time, and I don't think you guys are waiting for that. So let's see. Put it off, and there. If you got your piece of foam, and in this case I only need about 2.5 centimeters, and this piece has to be glued in front of this so I can sand it back. I'll put it down. I'll lift her up. I made her in 3 parts. Front part and middle section. The middle section is rather cylindrical, and the rear part. So a lot of work, a lot of sanding, but it's fun to do, and I will keep you guys updated with the progress. For now it's almost ready, and you can see some spots over here have to fill up. I'm going to use filler that you use on walls. Easily sanded, it's gypsum, so you can sand it away, giving you the basic shape. So, I'll show the other thing also. Put it down. This is the conning tower, the start of the conning tower. Needs some rivets and welding lines. So has to stand like this. Still have to make the rear part, etc. But this one is going to be filled, sanded, and built up in epoxy with a glass cloth, giving me the start to add welding lines and rivets, etc. etc. So this is the start. Until next time.